Hey, Sean here again from Minard's Leisure World in Weyburn. We're going to go over making sure your underbelly has got a good seal, trying to help keep all the rodents out of our RVs, to keep them in the best condition. Sometimes, no matter how much we try, they will find their way, but it's always best to do the best to your ability to keep them away. As you can see here on the back of this, and we're starting to have some drooping in the coroplast. At that point, adding a couple screws in each area like this. We use a 3/8 self-tapper with a fender washer that is 1.25 inches long to ensure that we get good securement and keeping that up. And anytime you find a cut in the coroplast, due to that there are many products under campers for sealing the underbellies, in the case of a coroplast, we like to clean it with naphtha, and then we'll use a scrim tape and then apply that to the cut in it. Or we also do some stitching to make sure that the coroplast stays together, and then it adds the scrim tapes. We also use a product called pest foam that deters any rodents from wanting to get in. So it's important to seal any of the openings with that product due to the fact that it does help keep them away.